Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain the trades that we provided in our free group and VIP group. For those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description, so you can check it out. You can also text us on Telegram at binary support. All the links are available in the description, so go and check them out. Now let's start the video without wasting any time. This is our free group where we provide signals. Here you can see the session has started and we provided a signal on AUDCAD for an upside move. The logic behind this trade is that you can see a red candle which left a wick on the upside. Then again, another red candle also left a wick on the upside. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this trade was an amazing win. Now let's move on to the second trade, which we provided in the VIP group on AUDCAD for a downside move. The logic behind this trade was that there was a downtrend, and the moving average was also acting as resistance. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move, and this was also an amazing win. Now let's move on to the next trade, which we provided on GBPCAD for the downside move. The logic behind this trade was that there was a moving average, and the previous candle was taking resistance from the moving average. That's why we provided a signal for the downside move. We got the entry above the moving average and won this trade as well. Now let's move on to the next trade. Again, we provided a trade on GBPCAD for the downside move because, as I explained earlier, there was a downtrend and the previous candle also closed below the moving average. That's why we provided another signal for the downside move, and this was also an amazing win. So we won 4 non-martingale trades. You can also join us. The link is available in the description. You can also text us on Telegram at binary support. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment your thoughts about the video. If you enjoyed it, comment down below. Till then, see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys.